Hello everybody, we are walking from Sukhumvmit MRT to the Nana area near Xiaomi, man. We're walking tour. Wow, look at this, man. I've arrived at the MRT so fast. But from here to Nana is a bit of distance. So on right side, right, will be the Terminal 21 mall. There's already a very delicious and affordable food court at the top called Pier 21. I just take away, I bought 2 packets, man. It's my supper and I'm walking back towards the Nana area. Because that's where my hotel is based at. But if you want to stay at a 5-star hotel, there's a Westin Grand Sukhumvit. This is soy 19 by the way. And you can take the tuk-tuk, I mean the motorbike version if you want. I saw the price from 25 to 50 baht, depends on distance. It's amazing now 10 p.m. so many people still waiting for the bus. There's a coffee club here. And it's a messy, I mean it's a very like quite a dangerous area. If you're a single girl then don't walk here alone, man. How Tom's Coffee. You know this street it's like sometimes it's like very bright, sometimes it's very dark. Oh. Oh, finally it's brighter here, it's much safer. There's big McDonald's right here, man. Massage right here, man. 1 hour 400. 100 baht more expensive than other shops. Where all the t-shirts. 49. Now I find two strange men. They they are quite strange. They are single and then one person. And then they try to approach you and then ask you about stuff and point at you. I just ignore them. Oh, this is Nana already, the BTS. So this Nana BTS. And check out the vending machine. So 16 baht for Pepsi or Coca. And that's a beautiful girl, but sometimes I'm unsure of their gender. But for lady boys, normally they are guys, and they're normally quite big size, and try to like look at their Adam apple and their shoulders, their waist, and their height. If they are too tall, big size, most probably is a lady boy, man. Now they do here is insane, man. It's running. So, alright, I chose this place, complicated place to stay at. Not because I really love the nightlife, but it's because it's at a central location with 5 minutes walk access to the BTS station, Nana. And there are a lot of street food around. And it's also budget, it's not really expensive. And there's a 7-Eleven here, quite big. If you enjoyed the video, like, share, and subscribe. So more video. Thanks very much, and I'll see you guys in the next video tomorrow. Bye bye.